Are you ready to unlock your earning potential? Imagine making $500 easily with AI. In today's fast-moving world, automation is essential. Businesses crave efficiency to thrive. An AI automation agency can fulfill this pressing need. Let's dive into how you can get started. First, identify your niche. What specific industry will you focus on? This could be e-commerce, real estate, or social media management. Next, research the problems businesses face. Understanding their pain points is crucial. Common issues include time constraints and tedious, repetitive tasks. Now, it's time to create your AI solution. Consider offering chatbots or email automation. Choose tools that resonate with your chosen niche. Building a portfolio is next. Showcase your solutions and their benefits. Include case studies and testimonials. This helps establish your credibility and trustworthiness. Once your portfolio is ready, set your pricing. Make sure it reflects the value you provide. A good start is offering service packages at a set fee. Marketing your services is vital. Use social media platforms to attract clients. Share engaging content that highlights your expertise and solutions. Don't forget to reach out to local businesses. A direct approach may just land your first client. A quick phone call or an email can go a long way. Once you secure a client, strive to deliver exceptional results. Keep communication clear and meet deadlines. Happy clients lead to valuable referrals. Let's consider a practical example. Imagine automating social media for a business. Your client saves hours per week. When this happens, they appreciate your work and will naturally refer you to others. Remember, building an AI automation agency takes time and dedication. Stay focused on honing your skills. The more you learn, the more you earn. To summarize, identify your niche and comprehend the business's problems. Create tailored solutions, build a portfolio, and set competitive prices. Finally, market your services effectively. Are you ready to launch your AI automation agency? Take the first step now. Explore your niche and plan innovative solutions. The possibilities are endless, and success is waiting for you. Don't forget to seek out mentors in this field. Learning from experienced professionals can provide insights and help you avoid pitfalls. Building relationships and understanding needs is key. Engage in networking events and online forums. These connections can lead to support, ideas, and potential partnerships that elevate your agency. As you establish your network, focus on ongoing learning. The AI landscape evolves quickly. Stay updated on trends to set yourself apart. Share your insights with your network. Engaging with others paves the way for collaboration and innovation. Implement an effective client onboarding process. This ensures new clients feel valued and informed. Start with clear expectations and project outlines. Provide a welcome packet with essential information about your services. Regular check-ins can reinforce your commitment and address client concerns. Feedback is a tool for growth. After each project, gather reviews to identify improvements. Embrace constructive criticism to fine-tune your services. Implement changes based on feedback. This responsiveness builds client loyalty and encourages return business. Now that you have the tools and insights, take action confidently. Your journey in AI automation has just begun. Embrace challenges and keep your clients' needs as a priority. The future is bright, and success is in your reach.